And now the scene shifts to Nandigram. This is where Mamata Banerjee had begun her entire uprising against the left front government back in the day. And now she's confirmed that she will be dropping the seat where she is currently an MLA in Bhawanipur and fighting only from Nandigram. She will be filing her nomination on the 10th of March and will go to Nandigram on Shivratri, March the 11th. Meanwhile, top BJP sources have confirmed to India Today that it will indeed be Shuvendu Adhikari, Mamata's very own former confidant, who will be the BJP's candidate from this highly emotive constituency. The decision was taken after the BJP's core election committee met on Thursday, and the list of 60 candidates for the first and second phase will be announced likely today or tomorrow. For both Mamata and Shuvendu, Nandigram, as you can imagine, is very, very significant. It's make or break. Mamata led her successful protest against land acquisition by the previous left front government in the state in 2007. This is what had propelled her to power. While for Shuvendu, he has a stronghold in Nandigram. He won the seat with 67% votes in 2016 and also reportedly scripted the Nandigram chapter of Mamata's street politics.
ঠিক আছে খেলেঙ্গে লড়েঙ্গে জিতেঙ্গে বাংলার সংস্কৃতি যারা জানে না বাংলার সভ্যতা যারা জানে না বাংলার শিক্ষা যারা জানে না বাংলার ইতিহাস যারা জানে না এমনকি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের জন্ম বাড়ি ভিটে পর্যন্ত উল্টোপাল্টা বলেন বিদ্যাসাগরের মূর্তি ভেঙে দেন তারা কখনো বাংলা শাসন করতে পারে না আর দুই হচ্ছে আমাদের এই লড়াইটা হচ্ছে বাংলার অস্তিত্বের ঠিকানা রক্ষা করার লড়াই আমরা টোটালটাই মানুষের উপর ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি আমার জনগণের প্রতি 101% ভরসা আছে এবং জনগণ জানেন বিজেপি আসা মানে বাংলার সর্বনাশ একদম না এটা খুব সফট ইলেকশন এটা স্মাইলি ইলেকশন আপনারা সকলে স্মাইল করবেন সেদিন 2 তারিখে কাউন্টিং হয়ে গেলে আমরা সবাই স্মাইল করবো এটা স্মাইলি ইলেকশন वोटिंग 20 करेगा हमारे साथ 120 करने बोलो
Take a look at the reasons possibly why Mamata Banerjee has decided to drop Bhawanipur, where she's been an MLA and is the sitting MLA for the last 10 years, and decided to only contest from Nandigram. Here are the possible reasons why. Reason number one, Bhawanipur in Kolkata has a large population of non-Bengalis. It's an area with the highest Hindi-speaking population in the state. The anti-outsider politics by Mamata Banerjee through this campaign may have alienated the North Indian voters who are there in large numbers in the Bhawanipur seat. Bengalis versus outsiders campaign that has become a very big flagship theme for Mamata may help the BJP in the seat. This could also be seen as Mamata Banerjee wanting to focus herself on winning just Nandigram and not spread herself too thin by contesting from 2 seats. 2 seats may not be a prudent move in fighting Modi and Shah, who will be throwing everything they possibly can at Nandigram. She is confident, Mamata could be confident that her loyalist Shovandev Chatterjee's performance will win the Trinamool seat in Bhawanipur. Because let's make no mistake, she's fighting from Nandigram, but a defeat for the Trinamool in Bhawanipur will still hurt the Trinamool Congress.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.